Well, after a week away, it's time to get back to work on the hardtop. So what I'm going to start with first, now that the major structural repairs are done, is start now with the reinforcing. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to reinforce the area where the front clips go. At the end of the last video, I showed you these pieces that I'm considering uses that I'm going to install in here. I've decided to go with the longer ones, so this is reinforced all the way down. So those will fit in there like that, and I can drill the holes afterwards. So the first task is going to be to rough this all up, get rid of all the loose stuff, and I'll get to work with the cloth itself. All right, I've got things ready. I've got a small piece of the fabric, or the fiberglass cloth, that will go in first. Then I'll put the metal piece on, and I have a smaller piece to go across the top of that. And once that's in place, I'll put a larger piece still on top of that. Okay, so I've got quite a bit more resin mixed up than I would normally have. And I'm wearing gloves this time because this might get a little messy. So I'll just mix the resin up good with the hardener. And put some resin on here. And I'll put this first little piece in. And with working with this matting, I'm going to make sure that it gets soaked right through. So there's the first piece on. Now I've got a slight curve in these pieces of metal here. I'll just make sure that they fit down and solid into there. I'll get some resin over top of that. So I'm going to work that right into the joins there. And then I'll get ready for my next big piece. Actually, what I've decided to do is put another piece kind of across where those holes will be. Although it'll come out a bit this way. All right, that's that side done. I'll do the same thing on this side. So while I have a little bit of resin left, and that I'm going to do a repair up in here. So I'm just going to cut a few little tiny pieces of fabric. Actually, I'll just put some resin up in there to start with. And just start building that up with stuff that in behind. And again, I'm using that metal foil tape. I can build up some thickness in there. And kind of force it down in behind the tape a little bit. I get that built up. I can then go back and trim it down a bit. Looks like I might need a few more. I'm going to put a piece right across that crack there too. That's that, I think. And my resin's out, or just about out, and it's already starting to set up. So that's step one in the reinforcing section done. So I've given this some time, and this is set up quite nicely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the dam off here. I take all that the metal tape out of there. Well, after a bit of fettling and what have you, I've got this back to pretty close to the original profile. I have discovered I'll have to put a bit of resin in the back here. There's a bit of a gap. So I'll just recreate the dam and I'll drizzle some resin back into that gap and then send that back. So I'll get that dam recreated and get some resin in there. Well, here I've recreated that dam. I've just used a piece of cardboard with some of that foil tape over it. And you can see down in here where there's the gap between the dam itself and the fiberglass repair I did earlier. So as I said, I'll just mix up some resin and make sure it gets in there. I'll just pop this back and forth a tiny bit to make sure that the resin gets in there. Once the resin's set up, I'm going to pull that dam out of there and move on. Okay, it's been a while and the resin has set up in here. I'm going to take that dam off and see what we're left with. Well, there's what we have left of the dam. Resin doesn't stick to it. So now you can see that that gap is all filled in nice. And I'm just going to let that sit overnight now, and then I can sand it down to its final shape. So now that I have this one all patched up, just waiting to sand it and finish it off, I'm going to get started on reinforcing in here. So what I've done here is I've just set the front edge on my mats on the floor, and that gets the areas in here where I want to patch first. It gets them horizontal. And the main idea in that is just to reinforce this joint where I've had to reattach this part of the top to the main part of the top. So I'm going to start out by cutting out a couple of strips of the fiberglass matting. Now what I'm doing here is I'm going to cut one of these pieces in half. And that will be the first piece I put in there as a starter. So that'll go in first. And then I will use the wider piece on top of that just to sandwich everything in. And I'll do the same on both sides. So I've got my 2 layers of cloth in there, and it's well soaked in with the resin. And I think that'll do a great job of reinforcing. And I put a little extra right in this area here. That's where the brackets will bolt on from the other side. So I'm going to leave that to set up. So now I've got this side done. I'll just do the same thing on the other side and then get to reinforcing the part that goes across the top of the opening. Okay, I've got the second side done, and I've also reinforced up this edge up through here a little bit as well. So I'm going to wait for that all set up. The other side turned out quite good. So what I'll have to do is come in here and make sure it's relatively flat. So the bracket that goes in there sits nice and flat and lines up with all the appropriate holes. Once this size has all set up, I'll reorient the top so that I can get across the top of the openings done. Well, it's going to be a little hard to show this on video, but as you can see, I've got the top set up on the bench so that the edge that I'm going to be repairing is horizontal. So basically what I'm going to do is get in behind here and reinforce this 90 degree that goes inside here, much like I did this area here. So I'll get that all set up and get to work on that. Well, as I said, it's a little challenging to show you what's going on behind here, but I'll do my best down in here. So I've done my best to get the matting all soaked with resin all the way along this section here, and it seems to have worked quite well. So I'm going to let that set up, and then we'll get to work on that side up there after I flip the top. Well, you can see I've got the top flipped over on its opposite side. I've got the reinforcing all done along that edge there. So the next task is to repeat that along the bottom here. And then I've also decided to go and do the same process along the front edge there. Well, that's all I have time for this episode. Thanks for joining me. So come back in a couple of weeks to see what the finished result looks like. Just like to say thank you to everyone that supported the channel, either by going through the affiliate links that I've got in the description below, just by subscribing, liking, and commenting, and picking up merchandise like the hat or the shirt I'm wearing. I just recently added some merchandise to the store with the round Bug-Eye logo. I'll just put that up in the top corner to show you. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check out the store. If you want to catch up and see where we finished off last time, I'll put a link to that video up in the top corner. And if you want to see where this whole project started, I'll put a link down in the bottom corner to that video. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to share it with your friends. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget that little bell icon. Click on that and you'll get notified when the next video comes out. My name is Ian. This is the Econobox Garage. We'll see you next time.